Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Sally is promoting her online store that sells vintage goods and custom artwork. What does she need to include for unique product identifiers? Option A. Submit 1 as the MPN attribute. Option B. Put false in the identifier exists attribute. Option C. Put unavailable in the GTN attribute. Option D. Submit a randomly generated number in the GTN attribute. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Submit a randomly generated number in the GTN attribute. Question 2. Product groups are eligible for the bid simulator. Option A. Once a budget cap has been reached for a product group. Option B. Once the average cost per click, AVG, CPC, is close to the maximum cost per click, MAX, CPC. Option C. Any time after a product group is created in a shopping campaign. Option D. When product listing ads have been included in enough auctions or accrued enough impressions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. When product listing ads have been included in enough auctions or accrued enough impressions. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.